Glow Up in a Week, the ultimate 2025 guide. Aesthetic and effective. POV. You wake up 1 week from now looking like a Pinterest board. Hair flawless, skin glowing, outfit serving, and your confidence? Unmatched. And guess what? It's not magic. It's this 7-day glow up plan. Trust me, if my lazy self can do it, so can you. Let's get into it. Your future self will thank you, so why not start today? Plus, what's 1 week compared to the lifetime of confidence you're about to unlock? Day 1. The reset, aka stop living in chaos. Okay, first things first. We need to fix our lives. If your room looks like a tornado just went through, it's time to declutter. Think of it like this. A messy space equals a messy mind. Clean your room, clear out your phone notifications, and please unfollow that toxic ex on Instagram. New you, new feed. Now let's talk digital detox. You don't need 100+ open tabs draining your brain. Organize your home screen, set limits on social media, and hot take, start your day without your phone. Try journaling, stretching, or even just staring at the ceiling while romanticizing your life. Small steps create a big impact. Day 2. Skincare and hair care. No more dry, sad-looking skin. Your skin called. It said, "Bestie, fix me." Start by actually washing your face for 60 seconds, a full minute. Also, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Hydration is key too. Drink that water and maybe try a cute overnight face mask for that extra glow. If you're struggling with breakouts, check your pillowcase. It's basically a bacteria farm if you're not changing it regularly. Also, stop touching your face. We see you. And for hair, deep conditioning is your best friend. If your hair is feeling dry and lifeless, try an oil treatment or a trending 2025 hair mask. Your future silky bouncy hair will thank you. Day 3. Fashion refresh. Stop looking like a sleepy potato. I know. Hoodies are life, but let's elevate it. Find outfits that make you feel powerful. Go for neutral, chic, or whatever aesthetic screams, you. Just avoid looking like you just rolled out of bed. Confidence is 50% outfit, 50% main character energy. Oh, and accessories? Game changer. Even the simplest outfit can look expensive with the right jewelry and bag. Invest in a few staple pieces. A good pair of jeans, a timeless blazer, and a pair of shoes that make you walk like you own the place. Your wardrobe should match your energy. Classy, confident, and effortless. Day 4. Mindset and confidence shift. Be delusional in a good way. Time to train your brain for main character energy. Wake up, look in the mirror, and say, "I am that girl." Be delusional in a good way. Manifest your dream life. Act like your crush is watching, and walk into every room like you own it. Confidence isn't about waiting to feel good. It's about acting like you already do. Stand taller, smile more, and stop second-guessing yourself. Listen to affirmations, keep a gratitude journal, and most importantly, stop comparing yourself to strangers on the internet. You are your own competition. Focus on becoming the best version of you. Day 5. Level up your routine. Stop scrolling, start glowing. Raise your hand if you've ever stayed up scrolling TikTok instead of sleeping. Yep, thought so. It's time to upgrade your routine. Try waking up earlier, drinking lemon water like an Ike girl, and making a to-do list. Aesthetic morning routines aren't just for show. They actually work. Start your morning with intention. Whether it's stretching, journaling, or just taking a deep breath before checking your phone, small habits create long-term results. Night routines matter too. No more falling asleep with makeup on or doom scrolling at 3 a.m. Your glow up starts with how you treat yourself daily. Day 6, beauty boost. Glam without the effort. This is your instant glow up day. Try a clean girl makeup look. Think glowy, natural, and fresh. And if you don't wear makeup, just focus on brows, lips, and a good highlight. Oh, and perfume matters. Pick a scent that makes people say, OMG, you smell so good. Trust me, that's the best compliment. The secret? Layering your scents? Use a matching lotion and perfume combo for a lasting effect. Also, start taking care of your nails. Whether it's a cute manicure or just keeping them clean and polished, well-groomed nails instantly elevate your look. It's all in the little details. Day 7. Becoming that girl. Final form unlocked. Congratulations, you made it to the final day. Now, it's time for the ultimate transformation. Dress up, take pictures, romanticize your life, and own your glow up. Remember, a glow up isn't just about looks. It's about feeling amazing inside and out. Keep that energy, and trust me, the world will notice. Today is about stepping into your power. Go on that coffee date with yourself. Start that project you've been putting off, and walk through life like you're on a runway. The best version of you is already within you. You're just unlocking her day by day. And that, my friends, is how you glow up in a week. Which step are you most excited to try? Comment below and let's glow together. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're leveling up all 2025, and you don't want to miss it. Just remember, small changes today will lead to your dream self tomorrow. The only question is, are you ready to start? I think you are. See you next time, Daisies.